Hi everyone, Dearly Crafted here. I have a couple of things to unbox. I do apologize if my voice sounds a little strange. I am fighting a cold. And so I was on Fortini's Live last weekend, and she had mentioned how she was thinking about doing live coloring books type things. So of course I was like all in for that. Excuse me. And placed an order for a couple of things to try. And one thing that I was interested in that I came across instead of regular crayons were these oil pastels. I'd never recalled trying these before. And so I bought these, and they were only $4, like $3.99 or something like that on Amazon. And they were an add-on item, so the way it works with add-on items, from what I could tell, was if you order $25 worth of product from Amazon, then you can get the add-on item for the listed price of $3.99. So I did, because I was ordering a coloring book and a couple other things anyway, so there you go. But these are oil pastels, and looks like there are 50 of them. Because originally I was looking at the markers and that go with the coloring book that I ordered, and the markers were really expensive. I was like, wait a minute, are we talking about markers here? So and these had some pretty good reviews, so I don't think I should order it. I don't know if I should open these up, but they have all the colors that I would probably be using within the coloring book that I was ordering. So I wanted to give these a try. If we do the live chat, I'm wondering, can I get this off? If we do the live chat coloring and stuff like that, because the coloring book I got looks really cute. So let's see here. All right, I'm fumbling here a little bit. There we go. I'm still kind of foggy in the head, so it's probably amusing for you. It's all good. So I'll take and move that off to the side here. Okay. So I got a little poster board to try this out. This is just some dollar store poster board. I figure we'll see how it looks here. Let's see. I don't want to dump these. Try not to anyway. So, okay. It's not bad. It's showing up pretty good. Yeah. Okay. I'm just doodling here, so. All right. Okay. Well, it shows up pretty good on this black, so okay, that works. And that was the lighter on the darker, and it was smooth. As you can see, it was a smooth, so it was a smooth process with using them on that black. So I figured that's a pretty good test. Okay, we'll put these up to the side here. And so I'll have to put the link for these below, but it was a smooth process. It seems like it's a little bit smoother than regular crayons, so I like that. All right, I'm pretty sure this big box is what my coloring book was sent in. Kind of funny because it sounds pretty empty. So I'm going to put this off to the side here and open up the actual box because it would be like probably bumping into my camera if I tried to do it on the table here. It's a pretty good sized table. It's like 3 feet around, something like that. So, got my butter knife that I open boxes with. Seems to work. Yeah. Oh, this is too funny, you guys. So, this huge box for that little book. That's pretty funny. Oh, somebody was tired when packing, I guess. That's funny. Okay, I'm going to put on my glasses here. So this is the coloring book that I got, and it's by this company called Chameleon, and it's a very nice book. I wanted, if I was going to do some coloring, you know, I was like, well, I want to do something that I would want to possibly frame for a bathroom or something along those lines. Here, let me just, so I don't want to get color stuff on the, yeah, okay. So these are some, this is like a premium coloring book. I know it's a little bit on the fancier side and that, but the pictures, I really like the pictures. They're kind of, what do you call it, kitschy type of pictures, and the coloring book is absolutely beautiful. It's like a hardcover, and I like the ring binder so you're not fighting with it. Last coloring book I bought was like on a whim at the Dollar Tree for $1, and it was like a Rudolph red-nosed reindeer one at Christmas because I didn't know if we were gonna have snow, so I was like, oh, okay, I'll buy a $1 pack of crayons and a $1 coloring book. But this one, I'm going all up, you know, all in on that, since Frattini's might be doing the live ones and that. But so they have these Chameleon markers that you can use on it, but like I said, those were pretty expensive. I mean, they were just, if you look them up, they were pretty expensive. And I was like, okay, I'll buy a fancy coloring book, but I don't know about markers that cost, you know, a whole lot. So nothing against them. They're supposed to be premium markers, but or you can just use regular marker pens. So I may pick up marker pens to try with this as well. So you can try the Chameleon brand markers or regular markers, or they were talking about colored pencils that you can use on this, and watercolors. So I figure the happy medium between the colored pencils and maybe the watercolors are these oil pastels. So hopefully it all works out. If not, then I'll try it on one of the pictures that I don't absolutely love. But as you can see, these pictures are gorgeous, and hopefully, there we go. Just absolutely gorgeous pictures. And like I said, they're very kitschy and cute. So, and they have all different ones. And they even have squirrel. So we have a joke of a squirrel. Trying to hold that steady for you to be able to see without the reflections. But they're really nice, heavy-duty paper and pictures. There, okay. And it has, this page is left blank, colored pages works great. Test area for your colors. Okay, so let me just, excuse me, I had to cough there for a second. So this is where I can try out the markers, and then it even has like these little tabs, and each page is perforated, and it's actually a heavy cardstock type page. It's very, that's the page itself, and it's perforated along here so you can get out the picture easily. And then once again, it has the protective pages in between each picture. And I love this deer, so cute. So as I showed you, all the pictures already colored in, but like I said, the pages are really heavy duty, and I plan on trying to use those and see how those work out. And it's got a little kitty cat, it's a nice wreath, a little lady person in a pretty spring looking dress. I'm ready for spring. We had spring here a couple of days ago, but it was 60 degrees, and then it dropped back down to 30, so that's why I'm fighting a bit of the cold here. But yeah, so very fun. Like I said, as far as the markers, they look really great and fun to use, and they do have looks like the instructions are in they have the instructions here in German, Spanish, and French. I believe it looks like that. Yeah, but these are the markers that they also sell by this Chameleon brand. It's called Chameleon pens. But like I said, I'm trying to make at least a reasonable investment here. And this coloring book, when I bought it, was around $14, $15, something like that. And then of course there was tax on top of that. But I bought this, and then I had bought something else that didn't come in. I think I bought some metallic markers, but they hadn't come in yet. They were on back order for a few days. And then I was able to put these oil pastels on as add-on items for around $4, and then you have to add tax to that, and that's in US dollars. So anyway, that's my unboxing. I'm excited to try this if Fruitini starts doing those lives. Like I said, I thought it sounded like a whole lot of fun, so as soon as we were done, she was done with her live that day, I went on there and started looking around and wanted to be all ready in case she does that this weekend. So everybody, I hope you had a great day. I hope you enjoyed seeing this little coloring book, and everybody take care. Bye.